RenderForest.com.
Good morning. It is Sunday, February 12th. Today's inspiration is how to survive the blizzard of 2017 that's coming to Maine. If you're watching this from somewhere else, you can laugh at us. That's fine. We laugh at you in the summertime. But anyway, what are you going to do? Are you going to binge watch House of Cards or some other show like Breaking Bad or something on Netflix? Are you going to curl up with your favorite book and actually finish a novel for a change? Or are you going to catch up on housework? Are you going to do your taxes? The question is, how are you going to use your time? Because chances are you're going to be stuck inside for a good 24 to 36 hours. That's a pretty considerable chunk of time to be stuck inside, especially when there's a small chance of a power outage. Let's hope you live in an area where that's not going to happen. But so the inspirational thought for the day is use your time, but have fun. Have some fun. Don't feel like you have to be doing something all the time. I mean, you're trapped inside. You can't go anywhere. You're trapped inside. You can't go anywhere. Don't feel guilty because of that. That's not your fault. That's Mother Nature. Excuse me, I have a cold. And enjoy yourself. If you have some work you got to do, like stuff that's considered work around the house, and it makes you feel better to do it, then do it. But you know what? You're trapped inside. Have a little fun. Don't feel guilty about it. And we'll get through this one together, folks. And we'll check in tomorrow. Signing off.